Hello folks. Okay, today what we're looking at is a portable, rechargeable, battery operated powered PA or speaker. I actually think it's better referred to as a speaker because PA, you figured it's a lot, I mean it could be any size, but for PA most people think it's a larger scale and at least a 12-inch speaker or a 10-inch speaker. This is smaller and it's battery powered and it's one. Usually PA you're thinking two speakers left and right, but this is so I'd like to think of this is a powered speaker with connectors in the back. So I'll show you what that's all about. It's made by Samson and it's called a Samson Expedition Express, and it's made out of like polyurethane plastic, and it's pretty durable, and it's got like a nice little grill in front of it. It's got some portholes underneath there, see if you can see that. Yeah, there you go, ported. And like I said, you don't have to plug it in because it's a rechargeable. You can plug it in if you want, but it's a rechargeable speaker. And the whole reason I got this, actually my girlfriend got this because she plays and she was playing in the park with a couple of friends. She thought, well, it would be nice if I could have my bass amplified, and so they're playing in the middle of a park. They don't have any outlets or any electrical outlets in the middle of the park. They're in, underneath trees in the shade, and so she's playing along with two acoustic guitar players. So she figures she's got an acoustic bass, but the acoustic bass, you can also plug it in. And so to beef up the sound a little bit, she figured it would be nice to run through a. So we were looking for speakers that would accommodate that, and we came across this by Samson again, and again it's called the Samson Expedition Express, and it's a rechargeable battery powered PA or speaker is actually I think the better name for it. But anyway, I'll run through this for a little bit. It weighs about 10 pounds. When you charge it up fully charged, it probably delivers about 20 hours of continuous power, which is plenty. She's never going to play 20 hours straight. It's good to know that you're not going to run out of power. It's pretty cool, and like I said, in the back it's got 3 separate inputs, and why don't I show you that right now. I'll turn it around for you, and there it is right there. So this is the back panel. Let's see if we could zoom in on that. There we go. And as you can see, it's got the on and off switch. It's got 3 different inputs right here, 1, 2, 3, and then it's got a line out, which is a cool little feature. So it's got your microphone input right here. It's got a volume control for it, volume control for a line input. It's got a little picture of a keyboard there, but you can put a guitar in there as well. And then it's got input of it for an 1/8-inch jack. It's got an 8-inch jack input here, and that's usually what's on your phones or an MP3 player. You can plug it in here, and it's got its own little volume for it right up here. So 3 different inputs, cool. And then it's got your and it's got volumes on each here, and then you got 2 different kind of like master volume controls here. One's for the bass end and one's for the treble. That's the EQ, but they double as volumes too, so you can pump up the bass and turn up the treble or turn up the bass. And like I said, you could also plug it in here. Got its own little adapter. You can plug it into the wall, and at the same time it charges it up. And then also, as you can see, it's got Bluetooth. If you have a device that puts out a Bluetooth signal, it could connect to this. Like a lot of your smartphones, you could download music and stuff, and as long as your smartphone has Bluetooth, it could connect to this, and you can hear your music out of this speaker. And that's a really cool feature. Let's turn this on and see what happens here. So I'm turning it on. You can see the LED lights come on, and the Bluetooth light comes on too. And that's because I was testing it out earlier with my phone and Bluetooth to see if it worked, and it does work. Stop that. Basically how it works with the Bluetooth. I mean, you know, any device that has Bluetooth capabilities could connect up to this. But like I said, I use it, rather my girlfriend uses it. She plugs her bass into here and she's able to play along with the two acoustic guitar players. And you know, it sounds a little fuller with having a bass running through a powered speaker. And that's what's really cool. We were looking around for a powered speaker for a while, and there's a couple of companies that make them, and we were looking at first specifically for a bass powered PA or bass powered speaker, battery operated speaker. And the ones we found, you know, they're out there, but they were, you know, a lot more heavy duty, really overkill for what we wanted. We just wanted a simple park setting thing. You know, you can play it in the park amongst friends, you know, talking volume. It doesn't have to be super loud. And these other brands that we were seeing were made for, you know, like to play with drums with a full band setup. So we didn't really need this. We just wanted like a jam around with friends in the park. So this is perfect. It's not very powerful. It's only 30 watts, but for what we're needing, it's perfect volume. You know, it just, and since we're running a bass through it, people were going, oh, so you're going to blow the speaker out because it's not really meant for bass. But 30 watts and pumping the bass through it, it's not going to blow out these speakers. Not with 30 watts. You know, it's just not enough. So, and for a bass, it's just enough to drive it, you know, and make it sound nice. And it's got enough bass response out of these speakers here. I think it's got like a 8-inch speaker on here, or 6-inch speaker, 6 or 8-inch speaker. I could look that up real quick. And then a tweeter on it. So it's meant for a full sound reproduction. But, you know, running a bass through it is fine. So what it has actually is a 6-inch woofer and a 1-inch high frequency driver. That's really all you need, you know, for what she wants, you know. It doesn't have to be that powerful. And for what she was doing and playing the bass through it, it's just perfect. It sounded really, really good. So if you want a low-cost option for playing instruments or microphones or guitars, or even putting an MP3 player through a speaker, this is the perfect little option. There's all your inputs again. It's a perfect little option. It's got more than enough inputs, and like you heard, it sounds really, really nice. I mean, you know, it has a nice sound to it. Finish up a little review of the Samson Expedition Express. That's the name that they give to this speaker here.